Did you know the Tesla Model S comes with a factory B-pillar seal, but the Model Y and Model 3 don't? That missing seal leaves the door gap exposed, letting in dust, wind, and water. The door sounds hollow when it closes, and the edge never stays clean for long. Introducing the extra B-pillar door seal kit, made specifically for the 2025 Plus Model Y Juniper. It adds the seal Tesla left out, protecting your interior and giving your doors a more solid, premium feel. Installation is fast and tool-free. No glue, no mess, just press the seals into place on both sides. It takes under 5 minutes, and the fit is spot on. Before installation, the B-pillar is exposed and collects dirt easily. After installation, the seal closes that gap cleanly, improving both the look and the feel when you shut the door. To show how well it seals, we ran a quick test. We placed an A4 sheet in the door gap and closed it. When we tried to pull it out, it wouldn't budge. That's how snug and effective the seal is. If you want a quick upgrade that improves sound, protection, and appearance, this is it. Order your extra B-pillar door seal kit today, and give your Model Y the seal it should have had from the start. Check the link in the description to get yours now.